This is a list of municipal parks located in Newport News, Virginia under the authority of the Newport News Department of Parks, Recreation and Tourism. Monsieur. 29th and Oak Minipark. 29th and Terminal Minipark. 47th Warwick Minipark. Beechlake Park. Boulevard Park. Christopher Newport Park. Deer Park. Denbigh Park Boat Ramp. Endview Plantation. Highland Court. Hilton Pier. Ravine. Huntington Heights. Huntington Park. Ivy Farms Park. JAMA Square. King Lincoln Park. Lake Maury Natural Area. Hall Plantation. Lee's Mill. Municipal Lane Park. Newport News Park. Nicewood Park. Potter's Field. Queen's Hithe. Riverview Farm Park. Skiffe's Creek Park. Planned. Skiffe's Creek Redoubt. Stoney Run Park. Superblock. Teardrop Park. Young's Mill.